Hi, and welcome to Petrol Data support video for SoloStorm. Today's topic is video synchronization, specifically with your Wi-Fi camera and SoloStorm data. If you have noticed, sometimes you can have a delay in an export video with your exported data overlay with your video. So you might say, notice at the launch, the video gets going, but a fraction of a second later, the data starts to kind of follow that action. So there's a sync delay. That can happen from the triggering of the video and SoloStorm not quite knowing exactly where that video starts in relation to the data. So we can calibrate your camera so that we can account for that in the overlay and make that tighter. There is, if you have already recorded the video and you've already noticed this delay, there's a video that I will put the link in the description that we can manually account for that after the fact. But if you have the time to do this this step, you won't have to go through that manual step with each export that you want to do. Okay, so we'll get started. Today's camera will be a GoPro Hero 4 Black, but this basically applies to any Wi-Fi connected camera you have to SoloStorm. The camera does have the Wi-Fi turned on and it is connected to my phone. So we'll just get started. Go into SoloStorm here, and we'll go into the settings. And then go down to video capture and analysis and the Wi-Fi camera. Okay, if we go down to the bottom option is calibrate video recorder. I'm going to do that. It's going to check that there's a connection to the camera, and basically we're going to follow the instructions that you see there. Basically, you want to make sure that the camera can see the screen of your phone, and when it's ready, we'll hit the start button. Okay, so I'll hit start, and what's going to happen is the SoloStorm will turn on your camera, do a recording, show this red screen, it'll stop, and then it'll download that video from the camera. And this is the calibration step. What you're seeing is frame captures from that video that we just downloaded, and what we want to do is look for the first frame that shows that red screen that came up on your device. So you can see, I'm not sure if you can see it there, the text is hiding just a little bit, but there's no red frame yet, so sometimes we might have to go quite a bit in. Almost there. Oh, here we go. So you can see here now there's that red screen appearing, but we do want to find that first one. So we're going to go back. Oh, here we go. So this one's no red screen, and there you go. You see the red screen. So we're going to tap select this frame, and that is it. From here on out, SoloStorm will take into account that delay that we figured out, selecting that frame, and your video and data exports should be synced up nice and tight. All right, hope that helps. And check out our other video, like I said, that looks after manually correcting that per video if it's already done and if you've already recorded the runs and you haven't done this step yet. And that'll get those video exports tightened up. All right, hopefully that helps, and we'll see you next time.